Hello everyone, welcome back to Direct 4x4. We're going to show you another fitting today. This is the Toyota RAV4. This one's actually a hybrid model, so you know that the brackets will definitely fit that model as well. So if you follow me under the vehicle, you'll see how they're fitted. Okay, so starting at the rear of the vehicle, you have a T-bolt in there. You'll have to take a bung out just to get access to the hole, but you get the T-bolt in and just tighten it up. Same on the middle bracket. You've got a bung in there and you'll have a T-bolt put in. And there's one in the sill just there. Again, you'll have to take the bung out to get the T-bolt in, and then you can tighten it all up. And then with this one, you've got a bung and a T-bolt, a bung to take out, and the T-bolt goes in just there. It's the same on the other side. So, starting at the front, you've got a T-bolt just here. You'll have to take the bung out just to get access to it, but it's easy enough to do. With this one, you've got a bung to take out in the sill here, and then the T-bolt goes in. And then at the rear of the bracket, this hole is already exposed. There isn't a bung to take out here, but you will see where the hole is. You'll just get your T-bolt up in there and tighten it all up. And again, take the bung out this chassis at the rear, and then put your T-bolt in and tighten it all up. And it attaches to the boards in the same way as all our other brackets do. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much everyone for watching. If you have any questions about this fitting, you can always give us a call, visit our website, or drop us an email. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye from Direct 4x4.